naturals, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification bell button that will notify you on our future videos. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. In today's video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you how I blow out my hair. A lot of you have asked me how I get my hair stretched countless times. This is one of the methods that I use to stretch out my hair and also to keep it voluminous. Please watch to the end if you want to see the step-by-step method on how I stretch my hair. To begin, I'm starting off on a freshly washed hair and detangled hair. Make sure your hair is detangled. Make sure your hair is damp before you start off. So before you use any form of heat in your hair, make sure you get a heat protectant. And for this video, I'm making use of Tresemme heat protectant, and these two that I recently got, I got these two from UK when my husband traveled, so he helped me to bring it back. So you can shop this on Amazon. These two have been making rounds on internet, and I recently purchased mine because I've been eyeing these two long time ago. Normally I usually use the other regular dryer, hand dryer, so I decided to upgrade to this one. The unboxing video is on my other channel, the Mass Space. If you're an OG on this channel, you already know that I love to work in sections. So whenever you want to blow out your hair, work in sections. Using my wide tooth comb, I love to detangle my hair properly, making sure there are no knots before I proceed with the dryer. Basically, for styling with this dryer, always towel dry your hair to remove excess water and smooth it with a comb or brush to untangle. Styling hair will be faster if it's slightly damp with these two, not wet. Make sure your hair is damp, not wet. Plug the appliance into an electricity outlet and adjust the switch to the selected settings. Use the high settings, which is type 2 on the thick or coarse hair, and the low setting, which is type 1 on fine or thin hair. My hair is fine, you guys already know. I don't mind using the high settings for my hair. For best results, separate hair into manageable sections, and also make sure to use a heat protectant. This is my heat protectant. Spray it, make sure to saturate it on each of the sections before you use the appliance. Starting with the bottom section of hair, place the brush, work from your tip, place the brush dryer over the hair and close to the root. Run brush towards the end to prevent over drying. Do not concentrate the airflow on any one area for an extended period of time. Repeat for the remaining sections until desired look is achieved. So like I was saying, I have fine hair, meaning that my hair strands are fragile, and this hair type is prone to tangles and breakage. When I say that my hair is fine, I'm actually referring to the individual strands of my hair, meaning that the individual strands of my hair are fragile and they break off really easily. If you have fine hair like me, your hair may be more prone to tangles and breakage, not because your hair is thinner, but because there's more of it. It sounds counterintuitive, but because hair strands take up less space on the scalp, there's room for more of them. So it is wise to invest in a tool like this to help keep the tangles away once in a while. But when getting this, remember to get a heat protectant. So make sure you have a heat protectant whenever you have to blow out your hair or you want to stretch out your hair. Heat protectant is very, very important. Heat protectants are not for fancy. They are not sold out there for fancy. So you have to get one if you must use dryers in your hair. That way you prevent running into heat damage. So this is very, very important. This product is from Tresemme, but you can get Cantu. Many hair brands have theirs, so I usually use Cantu heat protectant, but that's finished, and I had to get this Tresemme. I just want to try it out and see how that works. So this is my first time trying out this tool, and I was switching between the high and low settings on the tool just to see which works for me. On the toolbox, it was suggested that the high tool should be used for coarse hair, while the low should be used for fine hair, and my hair is fine, so I don't mind switching between the two to see which works for me better. So when you get yours, switch between them to see whichever works for you. If you are in the UK, you can shop this tool on www.tkmax.com. That's where I got mine. That's where my husband shopped mine from. And also, if you are anywhere in Nigeria or anywhere abroad, you can't reach that website or they can't deliver to you, you can shop on Amazon. This tool is on Amazon, so you can shop yours on Amazon. I know most of you might be wanting to ask this in the comment section after watching this video. So these are the two places you can shop these two. You can also shop on their website, Revlon.com. Blow drying natural hair is not that easy. That is why you're seeing me sweating profusely while doing this. It is particularly difficult when you have curl type 3 and 4. Water gets confined to the hair because of the curls and may consume more time to dry up. Protecting your curly, kinky hair while blow drying to prevent heat damage is important. That is why I ask you to use heat protectant whenever you want to blow out your hair. Protecting your curly and kinky hair while blow drying to prevent heat damage is important. Hair can turn hard or brittle if proper care is not taken while using heat equipment. Moreover, blow drying hair in winters take much more effort and time, but fret not. Here are some top benefits of blow drying your natural hair. It prevents tangles. Curly hair is fragile and detangling the knots often causes hair breakage and split ends. Blow drying can prevent tangles and keep your hair knot free. Blow drying your hair keeps it smooth and minimizes frizz. It keeps your hair healthy, soft, and shiny, which makes it easy to maintain. It also has volume and length. Curls can shrink as much as almost 75% of their true length. Blow drying volumizes them, adds length, and makes them appear straighter. It is an easy way to add volume to your hairstyle. Blowing out your hair also prevents damp hair problems. A damp scalp is a breeding ground for microbes, that is microorganisms, which may cause scalp odor and weaken the hair follicles. Damp hair is also breakage prone. Blow drying your hair can prevent all these problems. You can reap these benefits only if you blow dry your hair safely with a heat protectant. From what you can see, my hair is 50% blown out, not all the way. So I love to keep it like this because of heat damage. I'm very scared of heat damage, and I'm very careful whenever I'm blowing out my hair. That is why I didn't blow dry all the way. So you too can stretch yours further to about 80 or 90%. So this is not my hair length, but my volume is showing off. That is because I did not blow out all the way. But if I do blow out all the way, my hair will be more stretched and the volume will be diminished, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you watched up to this point, please give this girl a thumbs up. Tell me something nice in the comment section below. Just in case you don't know what to type, just say hi Dimma and I will understand. You can also share this video with your family and friends. Share with people who would want to try out this dryer, and let me also know if you will be trying out this dryer. If you have used this blow dryer, please share your experiences with us in the comment section below, and I won't hesitate to read all of that. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one shortly.